Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the alternative model of Reva. I'm also going to be giving you some backstory on Reva. So I did something a little different, and instead of showing you guys me cleaning up the pieces, I smartened up, I wisened up, and I did it off camera to save time because I'm lazy and I don't want to edit that. This mini was, maybe it's just because I'm new to assembling miniatures, but this was a little frustrating for me because I was pretty sure I knew how it went together. It took me a while to put this one together, to be honest. So right there I decided that I was gonna glue on his right leg, front leg, and then I was like, nope, I'm gonna glue on his back legs instead. So let's get to Reva's lore. So growing up, Reva was a weirdo child. Her family had money, so they were wealthy, they were bougie, whatever. They had strong ties to the guild. After they moved to Malifaux, her parents started to notice that she would sort of hang out in graveyards, start talking to people that weren't essentially there, talking to spirits, some weird shit. And when she would talk to adults, she would have this almost like magic over them. She would somehow convince them to devote themselves to her, which was really weird for a young child to be able to do. So her parents freaked out, obviously, because kids talking to ghosts or going crazy, either one. They took her to doctors, nothing helped. They took her to an exorcist. The priest actually, instead of helped Reva instead and cut her loose because she was able to convince him to devote himself to her. After that, she ran away, and then ever since then she's been, I guess, acting like a cult leader almost, where she would recruit people, but for both undead and humans. She had this way of talking to people that they just felt like they were significant, which with the undead, they were treated like garbage people, and she was one of the first people to not treat them like garbage. I also smartened up, and instead of putting her scythe on halfway through the assembly, I set it aside, put it to the back, and I said, I'm not gonna put this on right now because it's just gonna break off. So I'm learning a little bit. Right here I'm using the utility knife to try and set that arm in place because it was a little awkward. I'd push it down on one side and her arm would do this, and then it wouldn't be touching the rope anymore. This looks terrible. And it would go up if I tried to push this down, and it was just a back and forth. Don't even get me started. And eventually I did get it. So, you know, there's the finished product. So, I lived. I didn't cut my hand. This time. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on what you would like to see me do next, or just say hi, or Ariel, you suck. And subscribe if you're not already. Thank you. We're gonna assemble Reba, and I decided to go fuck yourself. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. You guys can comment down below if what you guys blah 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 blah. God damn it. I am also going, what the fuck was that, a rooster? I brushed my hair for this shit.